Hey there! Welcome to the 5th episode where we are refactoring a legacy Node.js application. In this episode we are going to move completely over to Typescript. Let's imagine we already converted most of the files and now we just want to wrap up the rest. So let's navigate into the src folder and rename all JS files to TS, so rename the rest. And let's go back and run build. Okay, now we have some bugs to fix. So let's get started. Line should be string. Clear line, the default argument should be 0 to start at the beginning of the line. So let's go to timers. We need a type here. So let's create a type interval. And then we need member variables for these. Alright. And this one here, ended.getTime. Alright, looks good. We also have the unit test to cover us if this is in fact wrong. So timers here. We need a member variables for these and private index. Alright, looks good. And here, this is gonna be number and number. And pass a int, so we just want to round down to the nearest number. So math.floor. Alright, and let's check out the tests. So here we're gonna need to have this as a spy, exit spy here. Dot exit. And then there's gonna be a blank implementation. And actually let's change that here as well, so it does nothing. And then we're gonna need to use that here at the bottom. So let's try to run everything now. npm run build. Working. npm run start. Working as well. npm run test. Alright. Let's do a slight change and change the color of the timer. So instead of writing line here, we're gonna write the color green, the line, and then we're gonna reset the color. So let's look at how this looks. Nice. And then we run the tests. And of course it's failing. And let's fix that. So let's create a wrapper for this. Alright, this looks good. So let's apply this here. 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 So this is called last. So let's create another one here. Alright, and let's use that here. Last here. 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 Seems to be a bug here. Here. Now let's see our tests. It's working. We can now finally stop supporting JavaScript. So let's go to tsconfig and remove here includes JS, and then allow JS, just simply remove that line, and then just config, adjust this regex here. So we're gonna have a dot and then TS. Simple. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.